Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to today's very warm virtual walk round of the Vauxhall Meriva 1.4 SE. Of course, the Meriva is a great option when it comes to a budget friendly, low running cost option of an MPV. Now, we'll start off and show you all the features why this should be your next car. You've got that really nice metallic silver, you can see, really does pop in this light. You've got your halogen headlights. Then you've got front fog lights, you've got chrome of course on there as well to give it a bit of executive nature. You've got the gloss black on there along with the chrome on the grille, giving it a real nice finish. You've also, moving down, got your alloy wheels. They are the twin spoke turbine design 17s, and you've also got your side repeater, black plastic A-pillar, chrome bottom half on your window surrounds and top half in rubber. You've also up top got the panoramic roof, doesn't open, it is fixed, but you can see gloss black pan roof. You've got gloss black on your B pillars, slightly tinted privacy glass, body colour door handles, and of course you move around, you've got your lip spoiler with your high level light, rear brake lights, turbo badging with your Meriva badging. When you move down, you've got your single exit exhaust and of course your towing cover as well. In terms of boot room, you'll see the Meriva is actually quite well equipped in terms of room. You can get pretty much anything you need in there for a family car, push chairs, buggies, pets, anything of that nature. And underneath, if you're struggling, you've got the variable boot floor as well. It's not an electric boot, it is a manual boot, so don't be thinking you've got a button to auto release. But from every angle, the Meriva is a great car, really practical, really spacious, and again one that offers superb low running costs. So in addition to that exterior you've just seen, let's show you what the interior has in store as well. Now, the Meriva interior is actually quite a statement piece in itself, one that I think will surprise many people. You've got loads of mod cons in there, loads of essential features and real nice seating. Now, everybody knows that the seating is of course one of the most crucial components. As you can see here, you've got the bit out there design that looks like gear sticks and gear shifters or DNA. I don't even know what that is, but it does look really cool. You've also got the half leather with the white contrast stitching on there as well. Manually adjustable, you can see no electric seating. Now moving down, you've got the Vauxhall there on your door inlay. You can also see you've got electrically adjustable mirrors, half leather on your door card, electric windows and deadlock as well. When you move into the back, you've got almost the opposite open doors, so you can see on here, similar to an a Mazda RX-8, they open outward rather than inward, if that makes sense. You can also see you've got the chrome on there, and you've got that same seating all the way across the back with ISOFIX points and plenty of room as well. Now, getting inside, it's a Vauxhall, so it's always going to be a nice place to be sat. We find you can see the clock, you've got the updated modern current version, black faces, chrome outline, white font and orange needling, and in the middle of that you've got your digital display. To turn it on, you turn that music down, classic FM, someone's been feeling regal for the Jubilee. Turn it on halfway, then put your foot on the clutch, on the brake and turn it on. You can see it starts first time, no issues, no problem. Now I am going to just open the window because it is red hot in here today, but you can see in there you've got all your information that you need. Your mileage is of course just under 49,500 miles. Now moving down from there, here you see you can change your menu on here and you can change your different options of which you've got on there of which you want to see, but for us we're going to keep it on the standard units of just there. You've also got your high beam lighting and your indicators, and on this side you've got your wipers. Now moving down here, you've got your headlight control here, you've got your lights, you've got your fog lights, and of course instrument cluster lighting and headlight range as well, excuse me. Now moving down, the steering wheel, full leather all the way around, concave base, nice big thick centerpiece, which is really nice. Cruise control just on there, and of course you've got your audio options just there. And moving across, you can see now touchscreen, you've got your old school digital radio just here with your FM, and you can see at the minute you've got your nice display, and it is 24 degrees. How about that? Moving down from there, you've got your central locking, hazard lighting, air vents, then of course you've got electronic stability, volume control, your different radio, you've got AM and FM, CD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, telephone, tone, you've got your back button configuration and info as well just on there. Then you've got your favourites and your tuning for your CD player as well. You've got aircon, which is single zone. You can see you can change your temperature using the left hand dial, change your air distribution force using the right hand dial, air conditioning on, recirculation, where the air is distributed into the cabin, heated front and rear screen. Under there you've got your old school manual gearbox, foot on the clutch, foot on the brake to use it. See, there's a lever, push that across to the right, push it up, and now you're in reverse. Down there you've got an electric parking brake, finished in the chrome, the leather gear gaiter as well, just to say it's a really nice touch, white stitching, black leather. And then you can see you've got all the space in the world here. You've of course got a cigarette lighter and 12-volt charger, auxiliary and USB, cup holder, storage, and then you've got what I would class as probably the funkiest device in the world. So the armrest, you can take this out if you wish, or you can move it across to suit where you want to put your arm. Really, really cool. In there you've also got your cup holder and more storage. Move it back again, lift that up, you've got further storage as well. Really, really cool and really in depth. And then up top you have of course got your fixed panoramic glass roof, which is a really, really nice option, especially if you've got a lot of kids and they like to see when you're driving, you want to keep them quiet. And you've got the electronic sunblind controlled by this here. Press it once and you can see you can control where the sunblind starts and stops. When you do have it fully shut, as we're about to do now, you'll be able to see that it deads out all that natural heat, natural light, and gives you a really nice refined place. But as it's a day like today, we're going to put it back and we're going to have it wide open. But the fixed glass, really, really nice. And that pretty much sums up everything I can tell you about this awesome Vauxhall Meriva. Again, it is a great outside choice when it comes to being budget friendly, with a good spec, and of course loads of practicality. And what's even better about this is for you to know that it has of course passed the 128 point Emerald check prior to retailing. Now what that means is that this has of course been given a thorough, meticulous and cosmetical prep at our on-site RAC approved facility. We've also given it an oil and filter service to make sure you don't have any confusion, or there's no cross-contamination on any products that have been used in the past. Now what we also do on that 128 point check, you can see on the vehicle advert under vehicle inspection form. Now, as probably the best car dealership in the UK, as it says just there, not up there, and of course being the recipient for the Used Car Retailer of the Year 2021, we're able to offer you fantastic options when it comes to purchasing this as your next car, whether you want to buy remotely from the comfort of your own home, or come down and meet Team Green and see exactly what the Emerald experience is all about. Get in touch, speak to myself, Tom or Victoria, and we'll be happy to help with finance as low as 7.9% APR. But for me, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and more importantly, we hope to see you soon. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Autotrader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128 point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered with a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10. Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million. Straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In the
11.
But it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.